Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're tackling a common household annoyance, a leaky faucet. Whether it's a constant drip or a sudden stream, we'll show you how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Identify the type of faucet. The first step in fixing a leaky faucet is identifying the type you have. Faucets generally fall into 4 categories: ball, cartridge, ceramic disc, and compression. Knowing this helps you determine the right approach for repair. Step 2. Gather your tools. Before you start, gather the necessary tools. Adjustable wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, replacement parts specific to your faucet type, like washers, O-rings, or cartridges. Step 3. Shut off the water. Locate the shut-off valves under the sink and turn off the water supply. Open the faucet to relieve any remaining pressure and cover the drain to prevent losing small parts. Step 4. Disassemble the faucet. Using your tools, carefully disassemble the faucet. Start by removing the handle and then proceed to unscrew the packing nut or retaining clip, depending on your faucet type. Keep track of the order of parts as you remove them. Step 5. Inspect and replace faulty parts. Inspect the components for damage or wear, such as worn-out washers, O-rings, or cartridges. Replace these with new parts that match your faucet model. Clean any mineral deposits or debris that may be causing the leak. Step 6. Reassemble the faucet. Once you've replaced the necessary parts, carefully reassemble the faucet in the reverse order of disassembly. Make sure all parts are snug but not over-tightened to avoid damaging the faucet. Step 7. Turn on the water and test. Turn the water supply back on gradually and test the faucet for leaks. If you notice any leaks, check the connections and tighten them as needed. Conclusion. There you have it. Fixing a leaky faucet doesn't have to be daunting. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you can save water and prevent further damage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.